Welcome to our in-depth review of this stunning modern recreational vehicle, or RV. A perfect blend of luxury, functionality, and style. This mobile home takes camping and travel to a whole new level. Today, we're exploring this incredible RV, featuring a sleek, modern design that's perfect for anyone who loves adventure without sacrificing comfort. Let's dive into the details, starting with the exterior. The RV comes with a dual-axle design, ensuring stability on the road. The retractable awning adds a cozy outdoor space for relaxation. Its white and light gray finish is not only stylish, but also reflects heat, keeping the interior cooler during sunny days. You'll find easy-to-access utility panels, large tinted windows for natural light, and an elegant, streamlined profile. The build quality is solid and durable, ideal for long-term use. Now, let's step inside and take a closer look at what this RV has to offer. As you can see, the interior is designed with luxury in mind. From the moment you step in, you're greeted by a spacious living area with a plush beige couch, perfect for lounging after a long day. The kitchen is compact yet fully functional, featuring sleek white cabinetry, a stainless steel sink, and modern appliances. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or a gourmet meal, this space has you covered. Over here, the dining area is cleverly designed with a foldable table next to a large window, letting in plenty of natural light. You can enjoy your meals with a beautiful view of the outdoors. Towards the back, the sleeping area is cozy and inviting, with a plush bed and ample storage cabinets. The neutral tones and wooden accents create a warm, homey vibe. To recap, here are the key features that make this RV stand out. A luxurious living space with premium furnishings. A fully equipped kitchen and dining area. Ample storage and a cozy sleeping space. A durable exterior with thoughtful design touches. This RV is perfect for couples, families, or solo adventurers who want to explore the world without leaving the comforts of home behind. And that's our review of this amazing recreational vehicle. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, this RV promises comfort, convenience, and style. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more RV reviews and travel tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.